Okay, so we're going to continue from where we okay. Now, okay. So here, 3x to the power of 2 basically is actually 3 to the power of 2 is 9x 2. Okay, plus 7c3. 7c3 is basically 7 times 6 times 5 over 3 times 2 times 1 is cancelled out. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, this one is 35 here. Wait, this one is 35. Let's start from this. Now, then this time, seven minus 3, which gives you 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Time 3x to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. X 3. Okay. So now, okay. Now we're going to key in 21 times 32 times 9. So the third term, which is this term, gives you 6048 x 2. Okay. Now, what about this? This 7 times 5, 6 already cancelled with 3 times 2. So we're going to multiply again. So it's 7 times 16. Okay, 7 times 16 times 27, 3024. So we got 3024 x to the power of 3. Okay, here definitely you must plus dot dot because there's still many terms. Okay, please, the next term will be x to the power of 4, followed by x to the power of 5, followed by x to the power of 6, until x to the power of 7. Obviously, 3x, you times 7 times, you will end up with x to the power of 7, which is the maximum. Okay, so you must look dot, 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 dot. Okay, so that's how you get it, using the binomial theorem. Okay, if I want to write a general formula, now let's say a general formula would be a plus bx. B is n. Okay, so I want to find the plus, so is n c r, let's say we put r here, so a become n minus r, then b become r. Okay, so you want to find, okay, this term here to the power of r. Okay, you want to find b here to the power of r. This is how you work it out. Okay, how do you work it out? Remember, the important thing is if this r, then what term is this? What term is this? Remember, this number is always, you see, if it is third term, then there is 2. So if this r, so what term is this? This must be the r plus one term. Okay, you get it? Okay, now, do you notice that the power, if I put in the x 1, this is still considered 1, so, but do you notice is the x, the power, increasing? Okay, x to the power 3. So in this manner, this is called ascending order. Okay, if I change to this 3x plus 2 to the power 7, what would you see? Okay, you will notice that using this formula here, you notice that your first term, you have x to the power of 7 with whatever coefficient here. The second term will be another coefficient x to the power 6. Okay, plus whatever here, the coefficient x to the power 5. All the way. Okay, now there won't be any difference if you compare the x system with the x system for this, because they are actually the same, except you just reverse the a and the b. Okay, you should get the same term, but the only difference would be if you put the x as the second term here, you will notice that your x term is in ascending order. The power of x become bigger and bigger. This is called ascending order. But if you rearrange this way, where you start off with the maximum x, with the maximum power for the x term, then this is called a descending order. Okay, and also if this is the case, then this become your first term, this become your second term. Okay, now couple of things that have to consider now is let's do it in the third video. This is the third term. If you arrange the b come first with 3x and 2 comes second as the second term in the binomial, then you have this. Okay, you have this arrangement of the